Low property damage does not end the case. A common defense argument in motor vehicle collisions is there was not much property damage. But vehicle property damage and human injury are not the same thing. Cars are built differently than bodies. Bumpers may absorb impact, and a person may be turned, braced, seated awkwardly, or unaware of the collision. A person may have pre-existing vulnerability. A person may suffer injury from force, even if the vehicle does not look destroyed. The question is not simply how the car looked. The question is what happened to the human being inside the car. What symptoms began afterward? What treatment followed? What did the medical investigation show? What changed in that person's life? That is how the real case is built. Minimal property damage does not always mean minimal injury. A simple way to explain this to a jury during the trial is with a chair as a demonstrative piece of evidence. We can show the jury a chair in the courtroom and tell them to imagine someone sitting in the chair and a large athlete or a football linebacker runs full speed into the back of it. The person in the chair could easily be injured from the force of the impact, but the chair itself might look mostly fine afterward. It may not be broken. It may not have a large dent. That does not mean the impact was harmless. The same concept applies in a car crash. The vehicle may not show major visible damage, but the force can still move the person's body in a way that causes serious injury.